See my mother kneeling with our family each day. I hear the words she whispers as she bows her head to pray. Lead to the Father, quiets all my fear, and I am thankful for this hope and cheer. Mine is a home where every heart is blessed by the strength of priesthood power, with Father and Mother leading the way, teaching me how to trust and wait.
Hey.